Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel. Today, let's learn together about the 2021 VCE Physics. We will focus on questions related to light as a wave. My explanations may need to be revised. If any teachers, parents, or classmates find errors, please feel free to provide your guidance. The amplitude is 8 centimeters. The wavelength is 6 centimeters. We know the speed of the wave. So, we calculate the frequency by the wave equation. Please note that the unit of wavelength must be converted into meters. Shorter wavelengths are dispersed more than longer wavelengths. Dispersion occurs at both interfaces. So, A is correct. Little or no light will be observed at point P. Any light that first passes through F1 will be polarized in the vertical plane. Since F2 only allows horizontally polarized light to pass through, the remaining light will be blocked. We know the value of the refractive index. Using the parallel theorem, we know the refractive angle. Finally, we calculate the incidence angle with Snell's law. First, we calculate the critical angle for the core/cladding interface. Then, we calculate the incidence angle. Since the angle of incidence is below the critical angle, some light will be transmitted to the cladding. Ask the distance between two successive dark bands. Since this is a double-slit experiment, we calculate the distance between two successive dark bands with wavelength, the distance between slits and screen, and the distance between slits. Please use the meter as the unit and convert the units of the final result into the meter. The distance between the dark bands is the same as between bright bands. The experiment demonstrates interference. As interference is a property of waves, the experimental results support the wave model of light. There were two common errors. The first was to refer to diffraction rather than interference. The second common error was simply copying a generic statement regarding interference from the sheet. A truck is traveling to a fire, and Chris is standing on the edge of the road. While the truck is moving toward Chris, the frequency heard by Chris will be higher than 500 Hz. While the truck is moving toward Chris, the frequency heard by Chris will be lower than 500 Hz. This is the Doppler effect. In light as a wave, 2 multiple-choice questions are worth 2 marks, and 4 short-answer questions are worth 14 marks. The overall score for this section is 16 marks. With a total possible score of 130 points, the percentage for this section is 12.3% of the total score.
If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp, and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel, Dr. Lou's VCE Chemistry channel, and Dr. Lou's VCE Biology channel.